Hello, Pinterest enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your Pinterest profile private in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app or go to the website in your browser. Make sure you are signed into your account. Now go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen and click on Profile. A new page will open where you can see your profile. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, that's where all the magic happens. A new page will open and you need to click on the Settings option. After that, on the new page, look for the Profile Visibility option and click on it. And then you will be shown a Private Profile option and even an explanation of what it means under the option. Now flip the switch to make your account private. It's that simple. This ensures that only approved followers can see your pins and activity. And there it is. Your Pinterest profile is now your private sanctuary. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest hacks and tips. Happy pinning, and until next time. Connect with us on social media for more updates and tutorials. See you in the next one.